Are you constantly fatigued, even after a full night's sleep? Do you snore loudly or experience strange episodes at night? You might be one of the millions unknowingly suffering from sleep apnea, a condition where you stop breathing repeatedly during sleep. This can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, high blood pressure, and even memory loss. One person's story highlights the importance of getting checked. After years of dismissing strange hallucinations and chronic fatigue, a sleep study revealed severe sleep apnea. The consequences of untreated sleep apnea can be dire, significantly increasing the risk of early death. Thankfully, effective treatments are available. A CPAP machine, which provides continuous air pressure, can be life-changing. For many, it can restore energy levels, improve mood, and even revitalize overall health. Don't let sleep apnea silently threaten your well-being. If you suspect you might have it, talk to your doctor about getting a sleep study. It could be the most important step you take for your long-term health and quality of life.